Hello, my name is Sivlinh and I am 9 years old. I study in IEP grade 3 at the wonderful school Battambang with teacher Leslie and teacher Tuk. Today, I would like to show you my science experiment on farmer gas. My aim with this experiment is to show you what will happen when we do it, what my findings are, and the result we end up with. Okay, let's begin. First, we want to find out if we can blow up a balloon without blowing the balloon. There are things you will need. We need vinegar, empty bottle, spoon, baking soda, a funnel, and a balloon. Now, we pour the vinegar into the bottle. But if you didn't want to waste a lot of vinegar, you can put a little bit. But if you want to make a sweet explosion, you can put a lot. Then we close the vinegar cap. Then put the funnel on the balloon. And we pour the baking soda in. But we have to use the spoon to pour the baking soda into the funnel. Then we close the baking soda cap. Then we use the spoon to crush the baking soda to come out the funnel. But if it doesn't work, you have to put the spoon on the table and then we shake the baking soda so the baking soda fall into the balloon. Then put the funnel on the table. And we put the balloon on the bottle. Squish the balloon so the baking soda fall into the vinegar. We have to shake the baking soda because there are more baking soda in the balloon. And we wait. As you can see, the baking soda and vinegar make a gas called carbon dioxide. But when we touch the bottle, the vinegar will be colder like ice. So, to end the experiment, we have set up a proof that we can blow up a balloon without blowing the balloon. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Bye bye!